Hi, here at H. Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2020 Ford Puma 1 litre EcoBoost ST Line X 125 brake horsepower. This car's finished in magnetic grey metallic paint. We've got the LED daytime driving lights, we've got the black grille, front fog lights, body coloured styling kit, ST line wing badges, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, rear privacy glass, got the shark fin roof aerial, (18-inch) diamond cut alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel. Inside the car you've got the black leather upholstery with the red stitching and the patterned cloth centre panels. Carbon fibre effect finish on the dashboard. ST line threshold plates. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Isofix fixing points for the baby seat. Electric rear window openings. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car you've got the rear parking sensors. So into the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat. You've got the removable panel, so you've got extra loading space. 12-volt plug-in for accessories. Moving around now onto the driver's side of the car. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. So inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round. Electric mirror adjustment, and this car's got the electric folding mirrors. Automatic headlamps. Centre armrest with internal storage box. Inside the storage box you've got the USB plug-in point, twin cup holders with the blue ambient lighting. So this car's done 2,000 miles. In the centre console you've got the controls for the eco mode. You can turn off the traction control system and you've got the stop start deactivation switch. 6-speed gearbox, USB plug-in point for accessories, and you've got your 12-volt plug-in for the accessories as well. Dual climate control, 8-inch touchscreen media system. So on the audio side you've got the AM, FM and DAB radio stations, Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device, full screen navigation system. On the end of the indicator stalk you've got the switch to turn on and off the lane departure mode, and then on the steering wheel you've got the controls for answering and rejecting calls. You've got voice control if your phone's compatible, and then on the other side you've got the controls for the cruise control and speed limiter. Black leather steering wheel with the red stitching. You've got the Bang & Olufsen sound system. Identification plate that tells it's the Ford Puma ST Line X 1 litre EcoBoost MHEV. 125 PS engine. So now moving forward, driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Look forward to your inquiry. Bye.